3962 North Spanish Moss Point. Welcome to your new home. So glad you came out to check out this beautiful property. This is a unique opportunity to move into this beautiful 55-plus deed restricted community. Parkside Village, centrally located here in Beverly Hills, so you have easy access to many amenities, including very short drive to Ocala for shopping and restaurants if you like more variety, and then the amusement parks and things that we have in Florida. Orlando is an hour and a half away, and Tampa is about an hour and a half away. So really great location if you want to enjoy Florida and activities and lifestyle. So I want to take you around this house, let you get a peek at it. You can see there's a very nice open living area here. This space certainly could be utilized for formal dining as well as living room, or you can just have it set up like you see here with extra spaces to relax and just unwind. You see there's a couple of solar tubes, so those are great for energy efficiency. And the roof was just replaced in 2018, and the appliances are only a few years old, as well as the HVAC is only a few years old also. So we have a full bathroom here, which connects to the hallway to the master bedroom. We've got a nice walk-in shower. This is the master bedroom, really good space. You see tinted windows, and then we have 2 closets, so lots of storage for your clothing. We'll head back through the great room and take a look at the kitchen. So a nice galley kitchen, lots of pantry space, and this extra area here is wonderful. So you've got an informal eat-in dining area. It's a great place just to have breakfast and light lunches, things like that. And again, if you wanted a formal larger dining setup, you have plenty of room out here to do a dining table as well. This second bedroom here has a pocket door, a nice closet, and you notice all of the flooring is laminate, and tile, laminate or tile, so easy maintenance. Half bath on this bedroom, so that's very convenient. Everything is move-in ready, freshly painted. And we have a beautiful sunroom. So this is a bonus here as well. And this overlooks a nice little hill, which then on the other side of that is a county retention lot. So that keeps for really great privacy. And being that these are attached villas, that's pretty unique for this community to have that amount of privacy in back. No one will ever build back there because that is community owned, and it is, or county owned I should say, and it is a retention area, so for water drainage. And this is the 1-car garage. You see that it is very deep, so you have plenty of room for storage. You've got your laundry out here. There's really good attic access. You've got drop down stairs, and the attic has subflooring, so there's plenty of space to store things in the attic. You've got a nice screen on the garage, so you can keep it open for some breeze. And this time of year, let me tell you, you get some good airflow throughout the house. So it is nice to open up those windows and enjoy that little bit cooler air. So that's it. This is a great option for you. There are not a lot of properties in this cute, intimate community of Parkside Village. So if you're looking in this area, you want to jump on this one pretty quickly. The list price is $139,000, and it's going to be a pretty popular home. So if you'd like more information on this property, please reach out to me, Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand with Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426. Have a great day.